Today we're talking about the use of a foam roller. We use the foam roller a lot with upper extremity and trunk stabilization, but what I'm going to talk about today is flexibility, people with thoracic pain, people with middle back pain, people with shoulder blade pain that can benefit from using a foam roller. So what I like to do first is I like to get somebody laying flat on the ground with their hands at their side, and when you do that you get a feel for what's making contact with your back, and you'll see once you lay there that one side feels different than the other. And so we like to get that feeling of laying flat on the ground with your arms at your side just to see what it feels like. The first exercise we like is what we call a protraction retraction. Your arms are out in front of you and you are reaching up towards the sky with your shoulder blades and then pulling your shoulder blades back towards the foam roller. The second exercise is alternating each arm, one going overhead and the other one going overhead, back and forth. The next exercise we like to do is a full reach out to the side and then reaching all the way across your body with the arms. The next exercise is the Ys. So you're making a movement with your arms like a Y. And the final exercise is a snow angel type movement where you're keeping your hands and your elbows low and parallel to the ground and reaching up all the way over the top of your head like you're diving into a swimming pool. After you've done the exercises, probably 30 repetitions of each one, you like to get back on the floor again and reassess how your back feels making contact with the hard floor. You should feel like it's more even and more level side to side. These exercises are great for opening up the anterior chest, they're great for moving the shoulder blades really well, and they're great for the middle part of your back and the middle spine. I hope that this little routine might help you with some of your problems. If you need anything else, look us up at Elite Physical Therapy and we're happy to help you.